Hey there, little friends! Are you ready to go on a fun adventure? Today we're going to meet some new friends, sing songs, and learn cool things. Come along and let's jump into the magical world of learning. Welcome to Learning Land, where fun and learning go hand in hand. Today we're going to explore new places, meet friendly animals, and learn new things together. Let's say hi to our friends.
Hi everyone, I'm Buddy the Bear and these are my friends, Timmy the Turtle, Lucy the Lion, and Polly the Parrot. Today, we're going to learn about numbers, shapes, and animals. Are you ready?
Can you say hi to Buddy and his friends?
Let's start by counting together. Buddy, can you show us how to count to 5?
Of course. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job, everyone. Now it's your turn to count with me.
Now it's your turn. Count along with Buddy.
Look at these shapes. I see a circle, a square, and a triangle. Can you find the shapes too?
Let's say the names of the shapes together. Circle, square, triangle, yay! Now it's time to meet some animal friends. Buddy, can you show us who lives in the forest?
Yes, this is Lucy the Lion. She's big and strong. And here's Polly the Parrot. She loves to sing.
Can you roar like Lucy? Roar. How about singing like Polly? Tweet, tweet.
Can you make animal sounds too? Let's try together.
Let's sing a fun song together. Follow along with Buddy and friends as we sing the numbers and shapes song.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count together and feel alive. Circle, square, triangle too. Shapes are fun, and so are you. Now it's time for a short story. Once upon a time in Learning Land, Buddy and his friends went on a journey to find the magical star. Along the way, they counted numbers, found shapes, and met friendly animals who helped them.
What a fun adventure! Can you help Buddy and his friends find the magical star? Let's follow the path and learn together.
Wow, we had so much fun today. We counted numbers, learned shapes, and met some new animal friends. You did an amazing job. Be sure to come back for more fun and learning with us in Learning Land.
Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational videos just like this one. See you next time, little learners.